Hi, this is Talent Solution. Today we are another problem solved. Today were how to VS Code run simple programming JavaScript. This is my silent solution. Here is a Linux Cloud DevOps related video. We can see and visit my channel and subscribe. Here is also Red Hat exam preparation playlist. You can see. I think you have many idea your examination. Let's go. First of all, we are going to. Sorry, going to off right button click here. Here is web terminal bash. Just type code. We are often our simple project Visual Studio. Just a minute here. I think is our Visual Studios often. Just this. Now we're create here there is silent SILENT this silence. Here is where's the simple simple one console dot log for Linux here. This here is no any run this command button. Let's go how to this command. Here is a click, just run. Code runner is click here. Just a minute we wait. I think our code is now is here is a button. Let's go. Here is no output. No need need to our Node.js installation. How to Node.js problem. Node.js download. For Windows, there is Windows need to what where both are is not. I think our download is done. Next, accept, next. Send directory, no need to send directory. You can go directory sends and whatever name. Just a minute to wear what? I need to sometime wait. I think we're almost done here. I think finish now. Let's go. Now we're yeah, Node is running. Not recognition your node. That's why I have to not working. I think it is reboot, then will be a work here. Uh, After rebooting this, because sometime is not working when it is a new installation software. That time is sometimes is a problem. That's why we are reboot our system. Now we are again open our code here. Just code. This is our project. Yeah, just run. I think is now working. Because when I first time is in installation, that time is not working. After rebooting, that it's working. This runner here is the runner extension is installation. That time is the run. This code. Thanks for watching.